Introducing the NILS cable. NILS is the first ever wearable cable bracelet that doesn't sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. NILS is a charging cable that you can actually wear on your wrist. You no longer have to find your cable in your pocket or bag. The NILS cable works just like a normal cable, but it just looks cooler. Take it off your wrist and plug it into your device to charge it. Now it's easier than ever to charge your phone anytime, anywhere. It's a must-have cable for your everyday carry. Get one for yourself and your loved ones. The NILS cable comes in so many colors and styles, it's easy to match with any outfit. Just one thing. Don't forget your NILS cable when you leave home. Please support us now on Kickstarter.